Hey guys, what's going on? Real quick video today. If you've been to my channel before, you know every once in a while I'll point out some things that you guys can and should be buying on Amazon because you're getting a better deal. This 4th of July weekend is no exception. The big box stores are running their sales this weekend, but I'm going to show you 5 items you should be buying on Amazon instead. All of these are either going to be a better price or they're going to be a better deal with what they come with. So for example, Dewalt has a 2-pack of 5 amp batteries, the 20-volt maxes. If you get them at the big box store, this is what you're going to pay. If you get them at Amazon, this is what you're going to pay. But check it out. The pack at Amazon comes with a charger and a carrying case. Much better deal on Amazon. The Brad Nailer that I use in all of my videos, this is what it's quote unquote on sale for. This is the price you're going to pay on Amazon. Here is a Bessy clamp. Not a massive savings, but if you can save $8 to $10 on every single clamp you buy for your shop, we all know we can't have enough clamps, so that means we can't have enough savings. This particular Kreg Pocket Hole Jig, the Pro 520, this is what you're going to pay at the big box store, and this is what you're going to pay at Amazon. And if you notice, buying it at Amazon also gets you a starter kit with an extra quantity of pocket hole screws to get you started on your pocket hole journey. And finally, we have the Bosch router. I had to throw this in only because both places are running this really cheap. This is the perfect router for your shop if you're going to use it in a router table. This motor is extremely strong, and this is one of the better prices compared to things like the Triton that a lot of people use in their tables. So just wanted to give you guys a quick video showing you guys some savings. Click on any of the links down below. It greatly helps our channel in bringing you better content in the future. We are partnered with Amazon as an affiliate, and we do earn a tiny, tiny little commission on each of these items you buy. But again, it's helping us grow without asking you for help. We appreciate everything that you guys have done for us so far. We hope you enjoy your 4th of July weekend, and we'll catch you on YouTube.